Welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. And today we're going to do some fall decor. I think we're going to end up doing a centerpiece is what I'm thinking. I've got a bunch of stuff that I've gotten from Dollar Tree and I just need to figure out what I want to make today. Probably a centerpiece. So if you would, give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so that you know when all the new videos come out. So let's go ahead and go take a look. So we're gonna make a fall centerpiece using the Dollar Tree wreath and then some florals from Dollar Tree. Also gonna use this floral foam, also from Dollar Tree, and that little square box, again, also from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna take all the stickers off of everything, all the tags off of everything, and we are going to paint or stain this little box. I'm just going to use some brown paint mixed with gold paint, and that's going to be good enough for me. I don't need to stain it. You're not going to see it too much. You'll see a little hint of it under the florals, but it's not going to be a focus in any way. I'm just trying to blend it in basically to the bottom. So just a little gold and a little brown, and that'll make kind of a shiny-ish, does that make sense, color? And then I am going to do the inside and everything. So everything except the bottom. I did not do the bottom because it is going to sit directly on my table. And I don't want the paint to stain the table or anything. Okay. And then we are going to go ahead and cut some chenille stems and prepare the pumpkins. So we need 2 of these wreaths from Dollar Tree. And we are going to put them together with the box in between them to make the centerpiece. And I'm using the chenille stems. I don't know, it was just easy for me. You could use a zip tie as well. That would probably work just as well, maybe a little easier, I don't know. But again, I use the chenille stems and they work just fine. Just a small piece, a couple, I don't know, maybe 2 inches or so. And then I'm trying to see how I'm going to connect it on the sides or on the bottom, or how I'm going to do it. What I decided to do was connect the bottom of the stem together at the top there. And that made it super tight so that it wanted to grip on to the little box that we're going to attach to the bottom. So we're just going to attach that fairly snug and then wrap that pumpkin around that box. And that way I didn't have to add anything to the sides or anywhere else. What I am going to add, however, is some hot glue down at the bottom. Now, you should use stronger adhesive, of course, if you plan on using this, year after year after year. I always do take most of my crafts apart at the end of each season, so I probably won't need this again. But if you want it to last longer, use, a better adhesive. So then I glue the floral foam at the bottom of the box. And then I am going to take a brown chenille stem and wrap the stem. Wow, it's not a chenille stem. Whatever that is, pipe cleaner. Take a pipe cleaner, wrap it around the pumpkin stem. Although the pumpkin stem has a name that I don't know what it is, but it has a name. And I'm going to literally just wrap, I don't know how many I used, maybe 5 or 6 of these pipe cleaners. And I did use brown because I'm not going to cover it in any way. Now, you could do the same exact thing with twine if you wanted to just use regular twine, which is probably what most people would do, I would bet. This has been done, a million times before. This isn't a brand new craft that I came up with in my own head. Something I've seen in years past. But I just wanted to do it on my own. And then I have these 2 little broomsticks. They smell like, I think they're supposed to smell like apple or pumpkin, I don't remember. From Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue them together, just the little strings, put them in the middle, and then I'm going to cover the floral foam with this little table scatter that I have. I don't know where this is from, probably, I don't know, TJ Maxx, maybe Hobby Lobby, I don't remember. But I'm just going to basically do a rough covering of the floral foam. Now, we still do have to put the florals in here as well, but they're going to just go into that foam. So these are the colors that I chose. I chose some, I thought I got 2 of the white stems, but I didn't. So I'm going to use more of this orangish, reddish, yellowish colors.
And these are all from Dollar Tree. And so I just put 2 on the sides, 1 facing each direction. I put a couple in the middle. I just want it to look super full. I don't want you to be able to see directly through it. You still can see through it if you're sitting right in front of it, but you don't, like, it's not a focus. You get to see all the beautiful florals instead of like whatever else you might be seeing. And then I did put the little sunflowers down in the middle and kind of spread those out a little bit. I tried to make it look very fallish is what I wanted, because these are not colors that I have in my house normally. So it looks very fallish. And then I just wrapped a bow up at the top, or actually I glued a bow up at the top, and that was it. Super cute, super easy. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope that you could give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and remember to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so that you know when the next video comes out. Now, please do remember that you should appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.